How's it going, people? As you can see, the 1980 Chevette is on its final stages of restoration. At this point, I'm just taking out the tape, and the easiest part of the process of painting is painting itself, because you're just spraying. The hardest part is the preparation. It takes quite a bit of time to get these pieces of tape in and aligned. You know, there's people that do marks, and I just eyeballed everything. But I think it actually turned out pretty perfect, considering I used the famous eye meter. I think this part is pretty rewarding, just removing the tape to reveal what's underneath. And stubborn little piece there. And then afterwards, I just resand everything to get rid of some of the edges. I'm using 320 grit sandpaper, and there's overspray because I didn't cover up the whole car. And the thing is, if you're painting here, especially when you're painting very different colors, like these are the extremes, right? Black and white. So when you're painting over here, that like cloud of paint dust, it actually travels and goes everywhere. Not over there, it just goes everywhere. So ideally, you have to cover up the whole car. But in this case, I can just easily get rid of this with sanding. So I have to sand it anyways. So that's how I get rid of it. There's a few spots here and there where I will have to retouch with paint, but I'm actually pretty happy with the results. I think the car is looking fucking amazing. So you'll notice that I also oversprayed the crap out of the tires, but those tires, they're pretty bad, so I am going to replace them anyway, so it doesn't matter. They're actually right here, the 2 brand new tires, so it doesn't matter. And I mean, the rims, we got some overspray on the rims, but the actual paint from the rims is actually peeling off like that. You can see. What the fuck? So this is just how I got the rims. I didn't do anything to them. I didn't paint it. So just in case you're wondering about that. Wow, that really didn't work out, did it? And I've got actual proper rims for it anyways. These are the rims that are going to go on it later, so again, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results. Oh, fuck yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So now after I sand and retouch a few points here and there, retouch a bit there, it's just a matter of applying the clear coat and then waiting days for it to dry and then polish it.